Samantala, kinumpirma ni Presidential Communications Secretary Cesar Chavez na inaprubahan na ni Pangulong Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. ang pagkakasibak kay Immigration Commissioner Norman Tansinco. Ito'y matapos irekomenda ni Justice Secretary Jesus Crispin Remulla na alisin na sa pwesto si Tansinco matapos makatakas ng bansa sina Alice Go. Tiniyak naman ni Marcos na lalabas ang katotohanan kung sino talaga ang nasa likod ng pagtakas ni Go.
Yes, the President has approved the dismissal of the current BI Commissioner. Yes, that is confirmed.
On what?
But it has something to do with departure of Alice Go. This is also part of the commitment of the President. It's her role because of that issue. Anyway, yung pagpapalit naman ng namumuno sa gobyerno, especially presidential appointees, in fact, mensahe rin yan ng ating Pangulo sa lahat ng nakaupo, presidential appointees in particular. Kapag hindi tumutugma ang mga gawain sa hinihingi ng kanilang mandato, ay may paglalagyan.